Good morning, boys and girls. It's Z1 Chris here, back with the Breaking Down series. We have the DE Red 350Z, which is going to receive our touring catback. Now, full disclosure, we did already have a catback once on this car, but for the purpose of this series, we put everything back to stock. So we retrieved the original exhaust system off this car from the back in our little storage area, put it back on the car, and we've been doing our testing since, completely stock exhaust. So we're gonna put back on our touring system. It sounds great, it looks great, and yeah, we're gonna get stuck into that one now. So I'm going to get the last of the hangers, and then come out. You got it? Cool. Alright. Oh, back. Yeah. Much easier. I've got one more on that side, and then there's one more on this side, alright? Okay. It ain't something that's just stuck in covers. Ooh. Oh, it's wet. Thank you, mate. Done.
What you doing, bud?
Greasing it up, siliconing it up. So I'm going to take off these hangers now, and let's see, yeah, we need the tool. Thanks, Sean. Okay. Now return the tools you steal, always. Don't be that guy. That bracket. Yeah. They're up here. Oh, look at you. Done! Yay! Get these bad boys in.
The last time we did, kind of great. What? Separated.
Right.
What's next?
Step, put the brackets back on. This beautiful twin skid.
Yeah, that's not a part of the exhaust.
No. So with our Y pipe, this one has the straight pipe section for extra noise. We do have a resonator, however, so just keep that in mind. So both the tip can come in and out. It can be adjusted up and down, and you also have adjustment from here. So you have what, 2-3 levels of adjustment to suit whatever diffuser or you know, if you have a different front section of the exhaust, something like that. So this is really nice with this kit, is that it's fully adjustable. It does take a little bit more time to set up, but you get the results you want. Alrighty guys, so we had a couple healthy runs on the dyno, and look, a nice result, another 10 horsepower just from doing a catback. So, you know, most people would start with an air intake or maybe an exhaust first, but we wanted to show what each mod does to your vehicle. So we're pretty happy with the results so far. Just remember, we're still on stock catalytic converters. We have no tune on the car. It is purely out the box, stock 350Z, servicing, intake, and plenum, and catback now. And look, these are good numbers. These are healthy, strong, solid numbers. These cars are getting older too. Some cars do better, some cars do not as well. It does depend on your vehicle and how it's been looked after as well. But for the most part, we're pretty stoked with this one. So I'm really looking forward to doing some tuning on this car, because I really think that's what's going to truly wake it up. And we have John, Z1 Tuner. He is an absolute god. He loves 350s. I'm pretty sure he loves them the most. He seems the daily one. So he's really going to work his magic on this car, make this thing an absolute beast. But otherwise, we'll see you guys next time on the next series of Breaking Down.